So I'm doing another video, and guess what it's on? That's right, police shit fuckery. Now, I want to talk about the McDonald's Corporation. So you go to McDonald's Corporation, you order a hamburger, and they give you a commercial charge. Fair enough, you pay it. Accept the contract. You go to Victoria Police Corporation, they give you a commercial charge, but what have you got in return? So, my point is, these are questions that you need to direct back to the Victoria Police Corporation when they try and give you a commercial charge. So, what's the commercial charge for a start? So, do they have like a plaintiff? And a plaintiff has to be a real person, not a commercial fiction. You know? What product or service did you receive? Did you enter into the contract arrangements with them? Do they have a copy of the signed instrument? The instrument that you signed? Do they have an affidavit or something like that from the injured party that outlines the commercial loss the injured party has incurred? Do they have that type of evidence? You know? These are just questions you've got to start asking. Like a lot of questions. More than likely, they'll mention shit talk. That's what they do. It's all just shit talk. Oh, under this act we have the authority to arrest, or under this act. You've got no more authority than me and you. Like both, we have the same authority as what a Victorian policeman has. You know? If someone's engaged in criminal activity, we have the right of arrest. But you do have to do it correctly. You have to obviously contract with that person first. And if they acquiesce to it, then you can arrest. You can't just go and arrest them. But anyway, like you do have, like if there's a threat to your life, you do have, like you can respond to that, obviously. And it's pretty well the same with any commercial entity, like child support, Fines Victoria. I did it with Fines Victoria, and you will find this is why they can't actually, if you throw questions towards them, they might be lucky to answer one, but they cannot answer every one of your questions. So the more questions you throw to them, the better off you will be. And then you get put in the too hard basket. So, like, you've got the right to contract, and if you don't know that you've entered into a contract, you probably need to see the copy of the contract that you've signed. If there's no signed copy, then obviously you can question the validity of the contract that they're relying on. Like, so that's another question. So, look, how did I enter into contract with you? So just start asking questions. It doesn't matter what corporation it is. If it's the McDonald's Corporation and they send you a charge, ask the question. If it's the Victoria Police Corporation and they send you a charge or charges, ask the question. If it's a magistrate court that sends you an invite to the court, rebut their claim that the default judgment may be ruled against you. So you write back and say, no, thank you very much, but like no default judgment may be entered against me. So watch some of my other videos in regard to rebuttal of claims and request material evidence. And evidence is affidavits from, like, so you have to have first-hand knowledge. Do not rely on hearsay, innuendo, speculation. You have to have first-hand knowledge. So they have to have first-hand knowledge of the contract. And evidence is also physical evidence. You know, so like maybe a dead body, something like that. Or a signed contract. So just start asking questions. And do not acquiesce to any of their shit fuckery. Alright. Cheers guys. Bye.